channel. This is George Prime Kumar coming to you from Bengaluru. But everybody knows the latest news about Bengaluru. Bengaluru, the heavy rain pounded the Bengaluru couple of days, and all people are talking about the infrastructure failure. Okay, infra gaps there, and they are not doing this, all that one. That everywhere. There are a lot of people are complaining. You won't get a positive opinion when this kind of things happens. Nature versus what we call human beings here we live. Okay, but the rain was heavy. The forecast was there. Okay, usually I follow the forecast. They said 3 days, after 3 days only the rain will come. Slight, maybe it will rain somewhere here and there, but the forecast for this, I'm recording this on 20th May 2025 around 9 p.m. Okay, but I was trying to read all the news, and then my curiosity was not, this happens, I live in Bengaluru for quite some time. When it rains, we have moderate rain, slight rain and heavy rain, all that one is there. So this is not the first time, rain came to Bengaluru and all this happened. But this happens in other cities also. But always there are certain people, they're waiting for certain things like this to happen, so they wanted to blast Bengaluru like this. Bengaluru traffic, everywhere traffic is there. Okay, so they wanted to condemn Bengaluru. They will put all kinds of things, from. I traveled, in buses, Silk Board. They had a lot of jokes about Silk Board, and they said now even yesterday somebody put a video holding a laptop, calling people, I am in the Silk Board. They find, maybe they put it in Instagram, they get some views also. Sometimes I get angry and comment also. Okay, rain, it comes, it's there. Because of rain, because of all these floods, they leave Bengaluru and go. They don't go. They'll be here only. But the point here, I don't want to switch on to this kind of topics. The main reason for me to talk about the Bengaluru rain today, because I have a lot of other videos also which I recorded previously where there was heavy rain. Okay, is the headlines, the breaking news, or the headlines in Times of India. I read Times of India. Okay, every day I have to read newspaper. Apart from that, I go through Deccan Herald, Indian Express, Hindustan Times, and all that one, In the news, Google News, I see it, and also watch news channels. All that I do it. That's part of me for years. Now, in today's Times of India, record 130 mm rain in 12 hours. So the main concern, not concerned at all, but the main thing I was curious to know was, what is this 130 mm rain in 12 hours? The Bengaluru is flooded, people are going in the boat, the roads are closed. What is the volume of water that came from that clouds from heaven? And nobody mentions, anywhere I read the whole articles, so much liter of water, they can say it, so at least for people to know. People say, what is this? They said, 5 football field size or 10 Eiffel Tower size, something like for people to imagine and guess what it is. So when the rain comes, always they talk about it 130 mm. No, it is some technical thing, meteorological people only know. Okay, we're not getting into it. Okay, but still, I was very curious this morning. I wanted to know what is this 130 mm. The amount of water, I'm talking about the volume, the amount of water that poured in Bengaluru. Downpour in Bengaluru, okay, whatever you call it. The water you see on the street, okay, right behind us there is a drainage. I see, liters and gallons of water flowing, from coming somewhere, one day in one area. So all over Bangalore, what is the value? So I wanted to know what is the 130 rain in 12 hours. Anybody know? Anybody bother to check anytime when they're talking about this rain? Anywhere? Don't think so, because I never read anywhere. What is 50 or 100 mm rain? How much water, that will come approximately, will fall, or it will rain water. Because in the cloud, it's not water there. Okay, it's like ice particles there in cloud. They evaporated water, all that one is there. Cloud is different, but that's the cloud that brings so much water on earth. Okay, so let's see what is the answer I got, where I meant to get this answer for 130 mm rain in 12 hours. Okay, keep watching my video. So record 130 rain in 12 hours. So I wanted to know, because every time I had this curiosity how much water the clouds can carry, because it's very light, but when it pours as a water. Okay. So what I did first, to know about this 130 rain in 12 hours, what is the volume, the quantity of water that pounded Bangalore, that poured from there. So I went first